Okay, this is going to be a complete overview of our SR22 coming to Blitz Interactive for free. Right now I'm just going to show you guys the pre-flight inspection that we can do on this, and then our start procedures. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to remove the engine cowlings and just do a quick little check and make sure that alternator cable is going to be in there. So on the side of the alternator is there. And I can do a quick little pre-flight, making sure everything inside of the engine looks normal, because we got the engine modeled on the SR22. Going around, making sure everything on the leading edge looks normal, and that the pitot tube is free. On the side, left aileron moves down, while the right one moves up, and they move vice versa while we pre-flight it. Since we moved the cowling there, the engine cowling cover, it's going to show up right down here. So if we go back, put it back on, it's going to disappear. So yeah, just a little extra detail added. Just make the SR22 that much better. Making sure this surface is all smooth. Then coming through here, and I'm just going to make sure the the rudder moves freely. And then in real life, you'll have two cables that are down here, and you gotta check those. Obviously, I cannot show that in Roblox. And then make sure the elevator can move up and down free motion. Make sure all the screws are here. And now we're going to make sure that our ailerons move just like that. Now that we've finished all that, we are good to get in the aircraft. And we can start our start procedure. Alright, so we're in the aircraft now. And do our start procedure. Alright, I'm in the aircraft now. This little bug up here just needs to get fixed later. Just forgot to do it for this video. I'm going to enter into the first person view. First thing I'm going to do when I get in here is I'm going to apply our parking brake. That's just going to make sure we don't roll from the ground. Next, we can go ahead and turn on battery 2. This is going to power our main MFD, and it does not give secondary power. Battery 1 can also come on. And let's go ahead and get our strobe and navigation lights on. It's a little bit of a cloudy day, so I'm going to make sure I have my instrument lights on. This is going to allow me to see all of the buttons I'm pressing a lot easier compared to if it was off. Especially down here with this stuff. So there's that. Okay. Now, in order to get our engine started, we're going to have to prime the engine with fuel. So I can come here and right here. Listen to these sounds. Alright, it should be primed. Maybe a little bit too long, so I'm just going to let it settle. And we go to start the engine. I'll be quiet here so you can listen to the full sound range of the SR22. As soon as that engine is started, we can go ahead and turn on our alternators 1 and 2 and our avionics master. The avionics master is going to provide Bluetooth information stream, but as long as we allow any headsets that aren't using the cockpit system. Now, for departure, we are going to use 1 extra flaps. We're going to put those flaps down. I'm also wanting to turn on AC, so I'm going to turn on AC here for the AC blast. And since the SR22 doesn't have dedicated taxi lights, we're just going to turn on the landing lights right now for taxi. You can see that we're using volumetrics for the lighting, so you can really see that lighting shine. But it's not going to have those weird light beams where it looks like a 2D object. This lighting is all 3D. After we did that, make sure our fuel is off, and then our cap system's here, it's stowed away, all good. I'm now going to get ready to taxi. So get ready to taxi, make sure I bring it back in. I'm just going to taxi over to taxi. So you can see, just like most other tech groups, we have wheel spin. Now, Pragmatic is actually just going to stop the wheel spin when it gets friction. So that's how the Pragmatic works. Also, our propeller is going to be electric. Those would obviously make that. They couldn't really just go center. So it's going to do a quick 180. Make sure my stay clear. Start left to back, to the left. And this left is updating while making this turn. Just like that. We'll taxi over here and I'll put between these two points here. Slow us up a little bit here. And start a left turn. Show our way to some clip there. That's it. Alright. Then we're going to stop. Just by getting a little bit of alternating brake. So we are pretty much to stop and we're going to put that brake real quick. And now we need to do our engine radio testing. I'm quite good at this one, so you can hear the full sounds that the SR22. Here's the full sound set of the SR22.